Constraints can be added to sketch elements to create geometric controls and relationships. By defining constraints, you can add information to your sketches that control their behavior when they are modified. When working in a sketch, valid constraints for selected elements are highlighted in the menu at the right. Constraint Settings is available opposite the Sketch menu when you are working in the sketch mode. Here, you can enable auto-constraining and choose a visibility type. When enabled, auto-constraining automatically adds constraints to your sketch when they are created. You can choose between a selection-based and show all visibility type to control how you want the constraint types to show. If you choose selection-based, the constraints are only shown for selected sketch elements, while show all displays all the constraints for the active sketch.